Did you know the last Islamic ruler in Spain was told by his own mother to weep like a woman for what you could not defend like a man? On January the 2nd, 1492, Sultan Boabdil surrendered Granada to Christian forces, ending 781 years of Islamic rule in Spain. For years, he had been paying tribute to the Catholic monarchs, desperately trying to keep his mountain fortress kingdom alive, but it wasn't enough. As he handed over the keys to the magnificent Alhambra Palace, centuries of Islamic civilization in Iberia came to an end. The Reconquista, which had taken Christians over 700 years to complete, was finally over. Boabdil paused on a hill for one last look at his lost kingdom. That's when his mother delivered those crushing words. The spot became known as El Último Suspiro del Moro, or the last sigh of the Moor. Within months, the wealth seized from Granada would fund Columbus's voyage to the Americas. One empire's end became another's beginning,